Hi, so I'm going to give you a quick review here of these lighted spinners. So they do come in 5 and they are $15 for 5, so about $3 each. And they're pretty cool. So one thing that I was not sure about was how the light works. So the lights have 3 modes. There's actually 3 lights on all 3 sides. And each one has 3 modes. So I'm going to push this. You could see that's the first mode. I push it again. It's like a faster strobe, and I push it again, there's like a slower strobe. And if I go to the next one here, you know, it's the same thing. I push it to turn it on, and then I push it in the middle to turn on the middle mode. And this transparent one is actually the coolest one. So you could see how cool it looks. And if I spin it, you know, it just has like all of the, obviously the different patterns. You know, if I turn one off, actually turn two of them off, and just spin this particular one, you can see it's a different pattern. So one thing I want to say is these are the best out of all the ones I reviewed. So I had these colorful ones with these kind of pop tops. And these are okay, but they're not worth the money. I'd rather go for these lighted ones. And then there's these normal ones that, hey, if I was gonna, you know, pay for these, I might as well buy the lighted ones, because the ones with these with all the lights turned off is the same as these. So, you know, you're kind of getting the lights for, you know, a little bit extra. And they don't spin. They spin at the same rate. So both of these last about 3 minutes on a spin. And just to let you hear the bearings. So you can hear how smooth that is. And even this normal one, you could tell this has a little friction, but that's just probably particular to this one that was manufactured. And I find these, you know, great for, so when I'm studying, I'm fidgeting around, I'm staring at the walls, the 4 walls and stuff like that, the ceiling, you know, and I'm pondering stuff. I like, you know, fidgeting around with my hands, or even if I'm pacing around and thinking about stuff. So, you know, there's a good use case kind of like for adults, and kids just like it because it looks cool. And actually, let me show you the other colors. So the colors it comes in is red, blue, transparent, green, and yellow. And they do come in these cool cases. So this is the red one. And this particular one, the blue one. You can tell how, you know, each one is manufactured slightly differently. So it has a different kind of like bearing noise to it. But they're pretty cool. I like them. They're well worth it. So I think that's really it. I do want to, you know, give you a close-up so you could see the quality. And this transparent one, the quality of this one. You know, I played around with this for a couple of months and it hasn't broken yet. You know, dropped it a couple of times, so it seems like it's manufactured pretty decently. But that's pretty much it, and I hope this helps. You know, definitely help this channel out and buy through the links below. And I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.